back dears. In this video I'll explain about article writing. So before going into that, you should know what is an article. It is a piece of writing usually intended for publication in a newspaper, magazine or journal. It is written for a wide audience, so it is essential to attract and retain the reader's attention. It may include amusing stories, reported speech and descriptions. It can be formal or informal, depending on the target audience. It should be written in an interesting or entertaining manner. It should give opinions and thoughts as well as fact. It is in a less formal style than a report. So, article is basically a piece of writing that we are writing just for the publication in a newspaper, magazine or journal. And it is always a factual based thing. Even we can add stories in it, doesn't matter, but mostly it is a factual based thing, and it can be either formal or informal, and we can add some interesting facts to it so that it will become an entertaining thing. And at last we should give our opinions and thoughts as well. That is also a part of article writing. In essay writing we are not giving our thoughts and our opinions, but in article writing we have to give our opinions and thoughts, and it is in a less formal style than a report or an essay. This article writing is less formal because at last we are giving our opinions. That is why it is less formal. Now let's have a look at the format of an article writing. It consists of these things. First of all, we have a heading or a title. Then we have byline. Then the body. Body consists of 3 to 4 paragraphs. Then we have our conclusion. In the conclusion, we are including our opinion or recommendation, anticipation or an appeal. The heading or the title of the article should be catchy, and it should also need to relate to the reader's search term. The length of the heading shouldn't cross 5 to 6 words. Think creatively and impress audience or readers with this one line and increase their anxiety to continue their read in your article. So the thing you have to keep in mind while writing a heading is that it should not be more than 5 to 6 words, and try to make it catchy so that the readers will feel to read it. Otherwise they will feel, by reading the title itself, if it is not up to the level, they will not feel to read it. So it should be catchy, and the word limit is 5 to 6 words. Then byline. Byline means the name of the person writing the article. It comes next to the heading of the article. Okay, there we have to give our full name, and it is generally given in the question. If asked, then only write your personal details. So mostly it will be written there, you are Abhishek or Abhaya, like this, the name will be given. So there we have to use the same name provided in the question paper. So this byline comes just after the heading of this article. Then comes the body of the article, and it is the main part of the article writing which carries more weightage of marks. More marks will be concentrated on this area. And usually the body of the article consists of at least 3 to 4 paragraphs. So the paragraphs is 3 to 4. It doesn't mean that it should be very lengthy paragraph. You can make it like 3 lines in a paragraph. Then also it makes a paragraph deficient. So the body should consist about 3 to 4 paragraphs. Then comes the conclusion of this article. And here we are giving our opinions. Final paragraph of an article should be like recommendation, anticipation. Anticipation means expectation, what we are expecting. Then views, then appeal, etc., where readers must feel happy with your article. So here is our opinion. Up to the third or fourth paragraph, we are providing only the factual things. But in the fourth paragraph, there is a conclusion. We are giving our own opinion, what we are expecting, what is our ideas. That is been provided in the last paragraph of the article writing. Here we can see some important points related to Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India campaign is been given. And through reading this, through this information given below, we have to write an article. Here you can see an article of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India campaign. So the first thing written here is the title of this article, the heading of the article. Then comes the byline. Byline is Abhishek. Then we have 5 paragraphs. First one is introduction, then we have the body, then we have the conclusion. And I have developed it according to the hints given in the question. And it is not mandatory that you have to copy it exact in your copybook. You can write by yourself. Already the hints are given. So this is just a sample. You can write by yourself. You just go through this and you can develop an article by yourself. I hope you understood how to write an article, and if you have any doubt, please feel free to clear it at the earliest. Thank you for watching.